Okay, so there's dinner. I'm telling you, the key to being a raw vegan, and one of the things that I really like about it, quick and easy meal preparation. And cleanup is easier, I think, because you don't get stuff sticking to pots and pans and all that. Anyway, simple salad. I got lettuce in there, lots of baby greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, and pineapple. Cut up a fresh pineapple, one of the best fruits to put in your salads. I got some nice Roma tomatoes, and my dressing, off the charts. I got this from Jack Albritton. Well, he got me inspired with this one. But I used lime. I used the juice of about a little more than one lime. I used water, maybe a quarter cup. I put in 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, and just about a half teaspoon of flaxseed, 4 dates, and I used, what was it, 4 dates. Oh yeah, I used a nice chunk of sweet onion. It's an awesome dressing, real simple. Lime juice, water, dates, hemp seeds, flax seeds, and what was that last? Oh yeah, the onion. That's it. It's an awesome dressing. So I'm enjoying this here. I might have to get more lettuce, but keep it simple, keep it raw, and you're going to be very happy you did. Please subscribe to the channel, give me a like, a thumbs up, and please post any comments or questions below. All the best. Take care.